Office juga District Mission Coordinator SSA Southwest Khasi Hills District mentakasi khlar Tarik Julio Arjar Pulai kelayoan pelong ikajan bhagidari events and activities Maharam Government High Secondary School Maukerwan. Kathong juga ikajan bhagidari events kalong kumsi benta ban penslor ki khna school bekini open say ban penpawi ki sap ki phongjong ki baru ki nong hikai ki balong kum ki nong yirap banai men sim shushu ye ki khna school. Hagani ikajan bhagidari event layo ban pelong ikajing ethu khana lingkon ki bakit jingmut nakinong hikai baru naki khna school hakaju kopor ki pelong ru ikajing ekop nakabenta ka teaching learning material exhibition baru nakabenta ka arts and crafts competition hakabaki dan hadu khasau league school bilawan manishim benta hakani kisngi lalong kongsan duba tilingwa DC jong ka Southwest Khasi Hills District haringat kijing dan langru ka DSEO kong S Kharsono barga kong E dekhar functional manager jong ka DCIC ki nong hikai ban khna school boper ki bilawan manishim benta hakani kisngi ki school ki bilayo ika nam job hagan ika sngi da kabenta ka TLM exhibition ki long ka bini kong ka Makurwat Presbyterian Secondary School ka baar parch ka CPA Secondary School bar ka balai layo da ka St Thomas RCUPS na kabenta ka arts and crafts competition layo bini kong da ka Christian Principal Academy Secondary School ka baar layo da Rodford UPS ka balai pat ka Maharam Government High Secondary School Makurwat.
I encourage all of you to continue your efforts to do good in your studies, to excel in your studies, and also to exhibit your talents. Kumala batay ki nagay na ba di talent ko ni dan kapan dan kisah server berbanyak we have to help each other so that we become good citizens of this country.